I'm Chanel. We're here at Anthem Music School's first event, the first show. All the kids are coming in with their parents. They're so excited, and we're excited as well. And we're ready to rock the show. Let's go!
It's been a long journey up until now, where we have started with 8 students. We're now up to 850 students, and it's been amazing to see the journey of children come through our music school.
We wanted to give kids a space where they could learn to play just a few notes and get on stage and play an epic rock gig so they can experience what it's like to be a rock star.
Rachel, who owns the business with her husband Adam, they were my teachers, and their philosophy on music and the way that they view the world is so contagious. So joining this team was kind of a no-brainer.
It feels really good when we start teaching kids really young. They do the whole program through, from mini musicians, intro to music, complete all their grades with us, and then they come back and join the team, and then they can start coaching the next generation of rock stars.